Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, my dear students. Here is your mathematics teacher Muhammad Al Jassaid from Pakistan International School, Taif, Saudi Arabia. Today we will continue our lecture number 75. And last time we were having our question number 4, part number 3. So I am repeating this question because there was a little change from your right hand side that was, so I am repeating this question. 9 plus 7x power 1 over 2, 9 plus 7x power 1 over 2, then minus 16 plus 3x, 16 plus 3x power 1 over 4 over 4 plus 5x, 4 plus 5x. Dear students, last time I told you that take 9 common and 9 power will be 1 over 2, so it will be 3. And this will be 1 plus 7x over 9 power 1 over 2. Then 16 was taken common and 16 is 2 power 4. So 1 over 4 and 4 cancelled, you will have 2 into 1 plus 3x over 16 power 1 over 4. Here you took common 4, 1 plus 5x over 4. So dear students, now I am writing down quickly and neglecting the terms involving x square and x cube, etc. Neglecting the terms involving x square, x cube, up to so on. This is 3 into 1 plus nx. 1 plus nx means 1 over 2 multiplied by this. 7x over 18 minus 2 into 1 plus nx again, because we have already written 1 plus 3x over 64 divided by 4, and we had 1 plus 5x over 4 whole power minus 1. Bring it up. Neglecting the terms involving x square and x cube. So you can have 3 plus 7x over 6 minus 2 minus 3x over 32 into 1 minus 5x over 4. That was 1 plus nx. Here is 1 over 4, 3 minus 2 is 1, then 7 over 6 minus 3 over 32. 7 over 6 minus 3 over 32. So we can have 103 over 96 x into 1 minus 5x over 4. Yes, 1 minus 5x over 4. Now you multiply these brackets. We can have 1 over 4 into 1 minus 5x over 4 plus 103 over 96x, and here is 1 over 4, 1 minus 5 over 4 and 103 over 96. You multiply, that will be, it will be actually 17 minus 17 over 96. Minus 17 over 96x. Now you multiply by 1 over 4, that is 1 over 4 minus 17 over 384x. That was your right hand side. I hope that you understood this question. Basically, there was a fraction and simplification of fraction. You can make use of your calculator to have the proper and correct options. So in this way, that was your question number 4. After that, we can take another part from this question. Then we can move forward. Here is yes, we have question number 4, part number 3 was finished, and after that we have part number 5 and 6. I told you part number 7 was according to part number 3. So I am taking part number 6. Part number 6 is, what is part number 6? 1 minus x power 1 over 2. 1 minus x power 1 over 2 into 9 minus 4x over 1 over 2. 4x power 1 over 2 divided by 8 plus 3x over 1 over 3. 8 plus 3x power 1 over 3. So dear students, 1 minus x, your right hand side is, yes, your right hand side is approximately equal to 3 over 2 minus 61 over 48. 3 over 2 minus 61 over 48x. Dear students, your right hand side is this one. After that, we can write down left hand side 1 minus x power 1 over 2. You can take 9 common. 9 1 over 2, 1 minus 4x over 9 power 1 over 2. From the denominator you can take 8 common with power 1 over 3 also. 1 plus 3x over 8 power 1 over 3. Dear students, 9 under root is 3 and 8 power 1 over 3 means 2 power 3 power 1 over 3. 8 can be written as 2 power 3. So 3 1 over 3 cancelled out, we have 2. Here is 1 minus x power 1 over 2. 1 minus 4x over 9, 1 over 2. 1 plus 3x over 8 power minus 1 over 3. According to given condition, that x square and x cube terms involving are neglected. So I am writing down directly 1 plus nx and 1 plus nx. Then 1 plus nx, 3x over 8. Dear students, we have 3 over 2 into 1 minus half x. Here is 1 minus 2 over 9x. Because this 2 will cancel this number, minus 2 over 9x. And then 1 minus 3 cancelled out, 1 over 8x. 3 cancelled out, 1 over 8x. 3 over 2 into 1 minus 2 over 9, then minus 1 over 2x. Next term is x square, it is already neglected. Here is 3 over 2, 1 minus 2 over 9. Here we will have 18. 4 and minus 9 into x. 1 minus 1 over 8x. This can be written as plus and here is minus. Yes. 9 to the 2 to the 4 and 2 9 the. Here we will get this is 3 over 2 into 1 minus 13 over 18x into 1 minus 1 over 8x. 3 over 2, 1 minus 1 over 8x minus 13 over 18x, and next is x square term, so it is involved. You can have this will be neglected. Yes, dear students, 3 over 2 into 1 minus 13 over 18x and 1 minus x over 8. So this can be 3 over 2 into 1 minus 61 over 72x. 61 over 72x. Then multiplied by 3 by 2. 3 by 2 minus 3 can cancel this number and then multiplied by 2, we have 61 over 48x. That is your right hand side. Dear students, that was your right hand side. I hope that you understood this question. After that we have question number 5. If x is so small that cubes and higher powers are neglected, remember that here was square and higher powers are neglected, then cube and higher powers are neglected. It means that in this way, in this question, x square will remain the part of your answer. So that's why your right hand side will be this one. 1 minus 1 over 2x minus 9 over 8x square. If x is so small that it's cubes and higher powers, not the scale. Cubes and higher powers are neglected. X square will be the part of your solution set, your right hand side. So we will neglect the terms involving x cube and higher powers. Yes, x cube and higher powers. So we have question number 5. It's cube and higher powers are neglected. Question number 5, point number 1. That was 1 minus x minus 2x square whole under root. 1 minus x minus 2x square whole under root nearly equal to 1 minus x over 2 minus 9 over 8x square. 1 minus x over 2, 9 over 8x square. So dear students, that is your right hand side. Taking left hand side, 1 minus x minus 2x square whole power 1 over 2. You can write down it this way. So you can have 1 minus common x plus 2x square whole power 1 over 2. Now this will play the role of x. This is 1 plus x power n. So 1 plus nx. 1 plus n and x. Yes. 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 over 1 into 2 x square plus so on. Terms involving x cube, x4 are neglected. Dear students, we have neglected the terms involving x cube and higher powers. X square is involved. X square is present in your answer. Here is, this will be 1 minus 1 over 2x minus x square. 2 cancelled out. 1 minus 1 over 2 x minus x square. Then we have, this is plus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2. Half minus 1 is minus 1 over 2 over 2. Here is x square. What is x square here? Square will make it positive. First square plus second square plus 4 plus 2 into first into second. So we will have this one. Remember that here is 1 minus 1 over 2x minus x square minus 1 over 8 plus minus minus 2 to the 4 to the 8 minus 1 over 8 x square. Now minus 1 over 8 into 4x4 minus 1 over 8 into 4x cube plus so on. Dear students, terms involving x cube and terms involving x4 are neglected again. So here 1 minus 1 over 2x minus 1 and minus 1 over 8x square. 8 1 the 8 minus 8 minus 1 is minus 9 over 8x square. That is your right hand side. These two terms involving x cube x4 are neglected. So that was your right hand side. I hope that you understood this question. After that, dear students, we have question number 6 and 7. And from question number 6 and 7, we can take one question from here. And I think we can take question number 7. Here we can have question number 7. If P minus Q is small when compared with P or Q, then show that when P minus Q is small as compared to P or Q, then show that 2n plus 1 into P, 2n plus 1 into P, plus 2n minus 1 into Q, 2n minus 1 into Q over 2n minus 1 into P, and here we have plus 2n plus 1 into Q. 2n plus 1 into Q, they are nearly equal to P plus Q over 2Q. P plus Q over 2Q whole power 1 over n. Yes, side is equal to right hand side. If P minus Q is small as compared to P and Q, then it means that P minus Q, the difference of P minus Q is very small. Let it be equal to Q, H. Let P minus Q is equal to H, or P is equal to Q plus H. P is equal to Q plus H. I am taking right hand side first so that you can have the idea what must be your left hand side. P plus Q over 2Q whole power n. Value of P is Q plus H plus Q over 2Q. 1 over n. Then 2Q plus H over 2Q power 1 over n. Divide this 2Q over 2Q plus H over 2Q 1 over n. This is 1. So here we will have 1 plus Q over 2Q. No, H over 2Q. This is H over 2Q power 1 over n. As H is very small and Q is very large, so H over 2Q will be very small and compared and can be neglected. So we can apply the formula 1 plus nx. So we can have 1 plus H over 2 nq. 1 plus H over 2 nq, this is your right hand side. And after simplifying, we will get the same answer. Now, we will take left hand side. We will take left hand side. P minus Q was equal to H and P is equal to Q plus H. Left hand side. 2n plus 1 into P, 2n minus 1 into Q, over 2n minus 1 into P, plus 2n plus 1 into Q. Dear students, apply the value. You can apply the value. Here, P is equal to Q plus H. 2n plus 1 into Q plus H plus 2n minus 1 into Q. Similarly, 2n minus 1 into Q plus H plus 2n plus 1 into Q. That Q is multiplied. After that, you can multiply. What will be that? 2nq plus 2n H. 2nq plus 2nh plus q plus h plus 2nq minus q divided by 2nq plus 2nh minus q minus h plus 2nq plus q. Q cancelled out above and below, and we have 2nq and 2nq. This will be 4nq. 4nq plus 2nh plus h plus 2nh plus h. Similarly, 4nq plus 2nh minus h. So dear students, you can write down 4nq plus 2n plus 1 into h, 4nq plus 2n minus 1 into h, taking 4nq common from above, 1 plus 2n plus 1 over 4nq into h. divided by 4n cube 1 plus 2n minus 1 over 4n cube into h. 4n cube cancelled out. Dear students, now you can have 1 plus 2n plus 1 over 4n cube. 1 plus 2n plus 1 over 4n cube power into h. That will be power 1. And take this to the numerator, its power will be minus 1. So 1 plus 2n minus 1 over 4n cube into h whole power minus 1. After that, we will open up by the binomial series 1 plus n x to n plus 1 over 4n cube into h into 1 plus nx. Here is minus into 2n minus 1 over 4n cube into h. So dear students, after that we will multiply them. Yes, we will multiply them. That will be 1 multiplied by this and 1 multiplied by this. 1 minus 2n minus 1 over 4n cube into h. Then this is multiplied by 1. 2n plus 1 over 4n cube into h, and then when it is multiplied by h and x here, h was very small, difference was very small, its scale is very small, so it can be neglected. So here it can be neglected. So dear students, we can have 1 plus 4n cube as LCM. 4n cube as LCM, we can have minus 2n plus 1 plus 2n plus 1. Minus 2n plus 1, minus is taken inside 2n plus 1. 2n cancelled out. 1 plus 2 over 4n cube into h. 2 1 the 2 2 is the 4. 1 plus 1 over 2n cube into h. So your right hand side was, that will be 1 plus h over this is, yes, this was actually 1 is outside this one. So that h was only with these two terms. And here is. So you can have 1 plus h over 2n cube. That was your right hand side. Here is left hand side. So your answer. I hope that you understood this question. Dear students, that was your question number 7, and after that I hope that you can solve those parts which I left for you, so that you can